Hi, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, just this application that I'm going to present to you, it's MetaSense AI. It means that um, it's just a prototype. Okay, it's a prototype of a monitoring Facebook ads performance. It also it I mean, it will all going to give you every KPIs that you need to I mean KPIs, trends, and actionable insights. So if you need this kind of video or this kind of technology nowadays, you really need this because most most ads, right, that came from Facebook are really useful. Okay, subscribe to my channel so that you can um, learn this new things in the business right now. Okay, but this is a it is a design like a as you can see, it's a blue SAS style, giving you all the data that you need from trends, campaign, AI insight, drill down, and spend over time. Right, those are holiday promo. Those are your campaigns. Okay, you can click down here. Okay, but the reason why I show this to you because I'm going to teach you how to well, I'm going to show you how we can send this application or convert this application or upload or deploy. As you can see on the upper right, deploy the application as a to make it live online. Okay, it's a long process, but I know you will learn about it. Okay, I'll make it fast so that you have a you can go along with it. Okay, you need two things. You have to have GitHub account, and you also have an account um, with Streamlit Cloud. It's free. You can just sign up with them and then just go ahead and create the app on the upper right. But let's go on the first line or on the first concern here. How we can make the this app live online. Okay, I already created this, but I deleted it because I want to teach you how to upload and upload it on your GitHub account. Probably you already know how to upload that to GitHub account, and to do that, you have to get your GitHub account. Okay, if you have the GitHub account here, let's go here. As you can see, I'm doing a lot, tons of project. Okay, I have 11 repositories. All right. Now, done. It's not responding. Okay. All right. So, as you see, I already have one. Okay. But if you want to create another one, you can just click on New and then type in your name here or type the name that you want. If you want, yeah, the one that I created, but it's already here, so I don't have to. You just have to put another like Facebook, right? Facebook AI marketing like that. Okay, you can do that. It's available. You can then you can put your description here, then public. Don't put add I mean readme because you can just upload it here and then create repository, create it. Once you created, it's live. Okay, so once you created, you can go back to your you call this to your repository. Okay, go back there. Okay, all of my repositories are here. Okay, so once you are here, just for instance, I have the MetaSense AI in here. It's already here. You just have to copy the link up above on the address bar, right? Copy that because you need it, and then you have to go to your directory folder where you save your all your files. You can just go to that file here. I already have that here. Okay, and then right click on it, show option. I'm using Windows 11, and then I already installed my GitHub, my Git command line interface. Okay, that's all right. Now we're going to go there, and then once you're here, you have to initialize the Git. Okay, and to do that, it's a bit long process, but you just have to use the standard command that you need to uh, what you call this well GitHub account will GitHub will going to tell you what are the command that you need to put there once you created the repository. But it's usually like this: git and then init, right? And then press enter. Then once you're done, then git again, then add, then dot, then press it again. All right. And then after that, you just have to click on git, then commit, right? And then dash m dash mark, double punctuation mark, and then initialize commit. Okay. And then press enter. So once you do that, it will go back to the command prompt, and then you have to type git branch and then minus sign m, sorry, dash m, and then main, then press enter. Okay, just wait for a while, and then it will go back to the command prompt or the prompt, and then you have to type in git remote add origin, right? And then the if you have the what's the what you call this, the repository here, the link, say https double slash github, right, .com slash what's your username, what's your yeah, your username. My username there is juggernaut. Okay, sorry about that. And then slash, what's the title of the repository, what's the name of it? Me, it's meta AI, sorry, that's that again, that's yeah, MetaSense AI. Let me here, MetaSense underscore AI dot py. Okay. Oh no, that's only this. Sorry, that's all. And then dot git, right? And then press enter. Just wait for it, right? May take a while. Then once done, you're going to go back to the this prompt, and then type in git push dash u origin, okay, and then main. Then press enter. Just wait a while. It may take a while, but it's not that long, okay? And then after that, you're done. Okay, you have the GitHub account, right? You have the Git, I mean the it's already in your GitHub account. Now the next step is to link that metasense underscore dot AI dot py to your um, what you call it, Streamlit app. And to do that, you have to go to the Streamlit, create an account. Okay, it's free, nothing to worry. And then you have to click on Create App. Of course, you're going to link with your GitHub account. Click on Deploy, and then make sure it's in here. It's here, right? Click on that. All right, now it's said domain is available, but that is a bit odd. Okay, you have to click on this one, then Meta AI, and then you can just delete this, and then you have to put a subdomain. Okay, that's Facebook, right? Facebook, let's say ads, that. Okay, it's available, then deploy, right? You just have to click on deploy button. No, you just have to wait because it's going to go to this process of making the app live online. Once it's done, it will going to give you the link that you created on the Streamlit dashboard. Okay, as you can see, it's already here. It's live right now. That's the one on my. This is the one that I have. As you can see, it's a bit. I mean the outcome is a bit different. Okay, but they're almost the same in. This is my other project. Okay, this one. Okay, and yeah, it's that's the easiest. It's live online. You can just access it online once you have the link. But usually it will going to show up right away on your screen once you're done. All right. In all my code, if you need this what you call the Streamlit app, right? This is only a fake. All the data in here are just predefined or placeholders. But this code, the full build will be well, I'm going to give this full build to my client, and in case that he is going to get the uh, get the app, right? The full build account once we agreed upon on certain terms, including the payment, right? Because he's not agreed to the terms that or to the amount that I charge him. Okay, but like I told you, this is just a like a prototype. It's a prototype. It shows the agency, right? The client demo, and then the date range, the show metrics. As you can see, we have spend, CTR, ROAS. You can just click on the drop down, and then you can see impression, clicks, and CPC. We also have the open admin mock, but the full build of this application will be different because they can log in. You can put multiple logins to this app so that any kind of anyone who wants to log in, if my client has a what you call this VA or virtual assistant who wants to log into the app, they can log in and then check monitor their spend or the campaigns that they are running. Yep, and all of these are located in here. So everything is present in here. You just have to click on the agency, like for instance, Blue Peak Agency. It will going to update all the data in here. Click on the client. Let's say you have a client Beta LLC. It will going to change all the metrics, right? So if you are interested with the link, I'll just put it in on my on the description. Like I said, if you have any question, just um, put a comment, write a comment, right? Send me an email if you are interested with this kind of project, and let me know what are other projects that you want to design or want me to design or want me to post on YouTube. All right, until the next video, thank you very much.